Today I'm going to show you how to create the same timer in Adobe Premiere Pro. To begin with, navigate to New Item and select Transparent Video. Now I'm going to select the default settings 1920, 1080 and 30 frames per second. Click OK. So now we created this transparent video with duration of 5 seconds. Drag and drop this video to your timeline. Then navigate to Effects and in the search bar, type in timecode and find this effect metadata and timecode burn in. Now drag and drop this effect on your video in the timeline. And as you select this video, under Effect Controls, find metadata settings here. And now find metadata, open drop down and select sequence timecode. So now we have added this little timer. So if I play my video, so you can see it's counting up. And it's counting up to 5 seconds. Now, if you want to change the timing, right click on your video, go to speed duration and adjust this time here. So this is milliseconds, seconds, minutes and hours. Now change these settings to whatever you need in your project. I'm going to keep 5 seconds. Click OK. Next, I'm going to make this timer a little bigger and also make it sit in the center of the screen. To do that, I'm going to change the size. So by default it's 15%. I'm gonna go with something like 50. Then adjust the position here. So move it to the left and also move it up. Just try to kind of position it in the center like this. And also under time display, just make sure you select source frame rate, just to ensure that the timer is working accurately. Next, if you want to cover hours and milliseconds here, just scroll up to video motion settings here and adjust crop left until you cover hours like this and crop right until you cover milliseconds like this. Okay, and so now if I replay, this is seconds and minutes only. And lastly, now if we want to add that nice little circle to also go along with the timer, navigate to the toolbar, left click and hold, select ellipse tool, and then go back to the preview window and draw this nice little circle over your timer like this. Just make sure the graphic is positioned right above the transparent video like this and the duration matches. Next, as you select the graphic, navigate to Effect Controls, expand this Shape 01 settings, and here we want to untick Fill and select Stroke. Now change the color, so let's say I'm gonna go with something like yellow here, click OK, and also increase stroke width. So let's make it something like 40. Okay, now I also want to reposition. So just to make it sit in the center of the screen. Also change the scale maybe, just a little. Okay, this is not bad. Great. Now, if I go back here, replay, now as you can see, the timer is counting up, but nothing is happening to the graphic. So now to sync them up, we have to navigate to Effects again, and now type in Clock. Find this clock wipe impact effect and drag it on the graphics. Now, if you try to drag and drop it on the graphics right here, nothing's happening. So just make sure you hover over the right hand side of this graphics effect. And as you can see now, I'm able to add this clock wipe impact effect. Okay, now hover over the left hand side of this clock effect and drag it to the start of this graphic effect, just like this. Now if I replay, so it's counting up, but the graphic is going from right to left. Now if you want to be a little more pedantic here, what we can do is just select this clock wipe impact effect here, make sure you click on it, then here on the settings, change wipe feather from 10% to 0. So we see the edges properly. Then select reverse direction Now if I go back here, counter is counting up and the graphic is running from left to right. Now lastly, if you want to reverse the timer, what you have to do is just select the transparent video here, right click, go to Nest, click OK. Now our timer video turned greenish, right click again, go to speed/duration, click reverse speed, OK. And now if I replay, our timer is starting from the top and going to 0. And the graphic is following along. And this is it, guys. This is how you do timers with a little bit of graphical effects in Premiere Pro. So I hope this was useful, guys. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.